Say, I'm a good baby. Say, love you. Oh, you gonna kiss the camera? Oh, what a good baby. You're such a good baby chicken. You're such a good chicken baby. You're a little green chicken. Little green chicken. You gonna say love you? Love you? You gonna show me your tongue? Show me your tongue again. Go on. Show Mama your tongue. Mmm. Mmm. Show me your tongue. Show me. What you doing, chicken? What are you doing? You looking so interested. Are you interested? Is the camera looking at you? Huh? Look at little chicken. What a nice little chicken you are. Mama loves you, chicken. Mama loves her little green chicken. Yes, I do. You're so pretty. You're so pretty, chicken. You're such a pretty chicken. Mama loves her chicken. She does. Mama loves her chicken. Are you being a pretty chicken? Are you being a pretty chicken? Are you a pretty chicken? You sharpen your beaky. You're such a nice girl. Oh, you want to be petted. You want Mama to pet your head. You want Mama to pet your head. Oh, little chicken. You're such a sweet girl. I love you. I love you, chicken. Do you love me? Say, love you. Well, what are you waiting on? You're funny, chicken. You're funny, chicken. You're funny, chicken. Yes, you are. You're a funny chicken. I love you. Look at them big old eyes. Yeah. You're just a pretty little chicken. I love you. Well, we just figured we would check in because we haven't been on YouTube for a while. We need some new subscribers. I can't pet you and hold the phone at the same time. So, I love you. Love you, baby chicken. Okay, I'm going to sign off. Bye. Bye, baby chicken. Isn't she just a pretty girl? She's such a pretty girl. Yeah, I love you, chicken. Okay.